So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on or off your 2FA on Hostinger. So 2FA basically means your two-factor authentication, and the first thing you want to do is actually log into your hpanel or hostinger.com. From here you can see your panel on the left. You can also go to the top right and see your account. Since this is mainly linked to your account safety, let's do that. Once we've clicked on that account, you can see account information, security, account sharing, activity, notifications, as well as language and logout. So let's go to security. Once you've clicked on that, you can see I'm right away redirected to two-factor authentication setup. This is 2FA. So from here, I can use the mobile application method, ensure seamless integration of the mobile authentication program with your Hostinger account. We strongly advise employing the following authentication applications for optimal security. Or you can use the email way. With each login, you will receive a confirmation code to your email address. This email that I've added just here will be used for this authentication. So you can enable it through there, or you can use the mobile application method and you can use NordPass VPN or Authy and stuff like that. So you can use, they suggest these two applications from which you're going to have a more secure account, as well as account and your domains which are linked to your account. And from there you can just enable it. Once you've grown tired of using it all the time, you'll see the option disable right here as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Hostinger or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.